Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to start a Google Sheets. If you want to start Google Sheets, basically it's so easy. You can just go to this website, to this webpage, docs.google.com/spreadsheets, and then you can just start right away, like create a blank, start a new spreadsheet, or you can also choose a template from the Google Sheet, and then you can just start making the file. That's the first way to start a new spreadsheet. And then you can also go to your Google Drive like this, and then if you want to start Google Sheets, just go to the new or click the plus new icon, and then you'll find the Google Sheet. And then you can also choose to create a blank spreadsheet, or you can choose from a template, or you can just click on this, and then just like that, a new spreadsheet or Google Sheet has been started, and you can just create or just add some data to it. Okay, so that's it for me. That is how you can start a Google Sheet. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you guys on the next tutorial. Bye bye.